the senses, the smells and what you feel and what you hear. There was a grass rattling because there were seeds in the grass. It was like music.
We are on a 6 days walking holiday, and it's a part of Wales we haven't been before. Yeah.
The smells, the lights,
The wind.
a lot of colors in the sea, the heather's blooming, and we didn't expect it to be so beautiful and remote.
For me, it takes you out of the daily business and routine, so it makes you feel free.
We're at a place called Porth Saint, which is just by Roscollon on Anglesey. So people come here to go climbing, sea kayaking, some people come cliff camping. The really nice thing about being on this bit of the coast path is the fact that you can't see anything. You can't see any houses or any lights. It feels really remote. You can't get phone signal here either, so you're just completely removed from modern day noises and life, I guess. You can just hear the sound of the birds, the waves lapping. It just feels really special.
Look at that view over there, look.
That's stunning, isn't it?
The best part of it for me is the walk, because it's exercise, fresh air, it's free. You meet other people on the way that you perhaps wouldn't normally talk to.
You've just got the sense you're totally on your own. This is all in memory of Mum, really.
We're in the beautiful jewel of Cardigan called New Quay in West Wales. We've got beautiful bottlenose dolphins that we have here in Cardigan Bay. It's a good breeding ground, they say, for the dolphins, a good nursery ground for them as well. It's quite a shallow bay, so we get many calves, probably an average of between 5 and 10 calves born every year. So we're quite lucky that the population is increasing. I see the coastal path every day. It's a beautiful walk. I've done it many times over the years since I was a child. You've got all this fresh air as well. What else can you ask for?
There is nowhere better in the world, really, than walking around the Welsh coastline.
It's a brilliant opportunity to get you out of the mundane. This is a chance to come out and collect your thoughts.
It's got the natural beauty, the scenery is just majestic. People just have to step out from their front door with a decent pair of shoes and go and walk alongside Mother Nature. It's perfect.
My name's Robert Parkinson and I work as the Land and Nature Officer on the Llwybr Peninsula. So today we're going to be doing a cycle tour, a guided bike ride along the coast. And one of the things that makes it special is the variety of things that you can see.
My name's Paul Locke. I'm a site ranger on the Glamorgan Heritage Coast in Vale de Morgan. The designation of the Heritage Coast is 14 miles long, so I work along that length of coastline, doing all sorts of jobs, conservation, rights of way, access, and hopefully keeping the coastline pristine as we see it today for the next generation.
We are the Blue Tits. People come from all around the world to do this chill swimming, and there's nothing better than a bunch of batty old birds, really, I think, that go, go on, get in, woo!
We can swim here and we can pack our bag up and walk along the coast path to the next beach, have a dip and do the same to the next beach and to the next beach.
9 to 5 I'm a project manager, but 5 to 9 I'm a bit of an outdoors escape artist. I know the Pembrokeshire coast path pretty well. I did an Ironman last year and this was kind of my training venue, so I've swum loads of sections, I've run so much of it. The landscape and the sea just calls to me.